Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Prodigee product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Prodigee for sending me the Super Glass Privacy Total Protection Complete Privacy Glass Protector for the S26 Ultra and the Super Glass Clear Crystal Clear Impact Ready Glass Protector, again, for the S26 Ultra. The reason I'm putting a glass protector onto the dummy device is to show you, if you purchase either one of these glass protectors, you know that they're not only going to work with Prodigee cases, but they'll work with other cases from other companies. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. Now, I'm only going to apply the Super Glass Clear Crystal Clear. The process of doing the install with this is going to be the same exact process that you'll have to perform with the Super Glass Privacy. This year on Samsung's latest flagship, the S26 Ultra, has a privacy display. It's a hardware level feature built into the screen, not just a software setting. But some of you may not want to use that. You may just want to go old school. Can't believe I'm saying that this is old school now, because this is probably something we're going to start seeing as far as other smartphones from other companies. I don't know how much battery that takes up. May not take up much. It could take up a lot. Who knows? I don't know. Some of you may not like the way it looks. This is an option. Either way, we're going to do the install with the Super Glass Clear. And again, remember, the process is the same with the Super Glass Privacy. So we're just going to put that there. All the links to purchase anything in this video as far as products, because obviously I'm going to showcase a few cases, that'll be down below in the description area. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this packaging, which is really, really nice. But first, let's read the rest of the information here. Crystal clear HD transparency, see your screen in perfect clarity, scratch resistant, scratch protection, guards against daily wear and tear, impact and shatter protection, shields from drops and cracks. On the back, basically the same information, anti-fingerprint and smudge, lifetime warranty, recyclable packaging. Prodigee is committed to sustainability. This packaging is simple to recycle and environmentally responsible. If there's any reason you need to get in touch with Prodigee, you got the official website, www.improdigee.com. And as far as social information here to just to get to know Prodigee a little bit better, Facebook, Instagram, X, and YouTube. The reason I'm wearing this latex glove is because at work, I just had a hard week at work and I got a lot of scrapes and cuts. I work in a meat room, so no, I did not cut myself with a knife or the saw. Whatever. I gotta let my hands heal. This one, not so bad because, well, I'm right-handed. This guy over here takes a lot of abuse.
So anyways.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the packaging. I might have to take off the latex glove during the install. I know that was a lot of information. Thank you for sticking with me. Okay, got the lifetime warranty information here. Please take advantage of this right here, okay? Do not skip a beat. We got the Prodigee Clean Kit here. And you got your little squeegee. That's nice. I like that. Alcohol prep wipe. Put that there. You got your dust stickers, which here in my YouTube studio in the garage, there is a lot of crap flying around. Okay, so here is the installation kit. Prodigee Super Glass, clean, place, hold and pull. Okay, screenshot. So that's going to go in there like that, underneath these little openings on the right and left. and that says top. So right up there. So when I'm ready, where it says top, I'm going to place it over the top like that, and we're going to pull on this little film tab there, and yeah, and the rest is magic. So what I'm going to do is get my little rubbery mat so I can keep my dummy device S26 Ultra in place as much as possible. And then I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, add some music for your entertainment, and yeah, I just don't want to make any mistakes because we only get one, and already there's some crap on the display there. So I'm going to take off my latex glove for this process.
So it begins.
I'm going to tell you, folks, that was super duper easy. My apologies for not forewarning you when I was actually going to start the install process. I was wiping the display down and I was like, oops, I forgot to let them know that I was beginning. But yeah, that came out really, really nice. I got the Prodigee Superhero sleek clear case here. I got the sub case UB grip, and I have the Quick Stand Pro from VRS. This is a really, really cool case. It is the contour green. There's other color choices here as well. This guy is on his own, and this case should have no issues with the tempered glass screen protector from Prodigee, as far as both products from the same company. And there is no lifting. You don't see any lifting, top, bottom, and sides and corners. And that's very, very important. Isn't that nice? That sleek, clear back, so you can see the soapy guard skin there. The protection from the Super Glass Clear, and you're going to get the same protection from the Privacy Super Glass over there. So yeah, that's nice. So definitely a pass, a winner. UB grip from Subcase, kickstand, magnet. You can go watch the full review. Oh, that is so sweet to see. So sweet. No lifting whatsoever. Look at that. All right. The Subcase UB grip and contour green Quick Stand Pro from VRS. Make sure the case is on. Just enough. Look at that. All of these cases have that much clearing between the screen protector and the case, the lip surrounding the display. Just enough so you don't get any lifting top, bottom, sides, and corners. Yeah, that is nice. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the blue matte covert case from Ghost Tech. This is my Dallas Cowboys case right here. Got the blue, the silver, the clear back. But we want to make sure that the super glass clear is going to work. And so you can see that clearance there between the, or spacing, maybe I'm using the wrong word there, between the glass protector and the case itself there where the lip is. And that's about the same distance between the glass protector and all of these cases all the way around. You can see that. Just enough so you don't have any lifting up top, bottom, sides, and the corners. Yeah, that is nice. That is really, really nice. Again, all of these cases have their own personal reviews, so please go check them out here on the channel. Prodigee, thank you so much again for the opportunity. They're both going to give you the protection you need for your S26 Ultra. All the information for all of these products down below in the description area. Prodigee, thank you so much once again for the opportunity, to all of you for coming on by and checking out this video. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a case review like this or any video that I put out. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.